In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a gallery to your webpage, whether you're showcasing your portfolio, a collection of favorite moments, or product photos for your business. Creating a gallery is a fantastic way to highlight images in an organized and visually appealing way. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to go ahead and edit the page where you want your new gallery to appear. It's important to locate the exact section on your web page where you'd like this gallery to shine. This will ensure that your images grab attention and are seamlessly integrated into your existing content. Once you've pinpointed the ideal spot for your gallery, the next step is to add a gallery block. Now, this may sound a bit technical, but don't worry. Most website builders have a user-friendly interface. Simply look for a button or menu option labeled Add Block or something similar. Select the option that lets you include a gallery block. This block serves as the frame, so to speak, where your images will be displayed and arranged neatly. With the gallery block now added to your page, it's time to start uploading your images. Click on the gallery space and you'll usually find an upload button. This is where the magic begins. You'll want to choose the images that best represent the theme or message you're trying to convey. A little tip here, make sure your images are high quality, as pixelated or blurry pictures can detract from the professional look you're aiming for. Plus, consider the sequence of your images, ensuring they tell a story or follow a logical flow, enhancing the viewer's experience. After you've uploaded your chosen images, take a moment to review the gallery. Ensure they are displaying correctly and in the order you desire. If the platform allows, you might want to experiment with different layouts or settings to best suit your design preferences and website aesthetic. These options can usually be found in the gallery settings tool. Perhaps a grid format works best for you, or maybe a more creative mosaic style is the way to go. Each choice can significantly impact the viewer's perception, so take your time to find what's right for you. Lastly, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your work. It's a critical step, as saving locks in all the hard work you've done and makes the gallery live on your site. Just find the Save or Publish button, often located in the top right corner of your web page editor, and give it a click. And there you have it. You've successfully created and added a beautiful gallery to your web page. With these simple steps, you can now attractively display your images for all your site's visitors to enjoy. Remember to periodically update your gallery with new images to keep it fresh and engaging. Thank you for watching, and happy creating.